Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Doing a wee bit of van maintenance today. So I've got my Black & Decker multi-tool. It's kind of like I suppose it's like a Dremel. So you can put the ends on it. Got a little grinding stone there. You can see that there's a wee bit of blue on it because I've been trying to scrape away some of the rust on this step here as you come inside the van. So I'll lift the camera up actually and let you see what I'm doing. So just inside the van there, we've got this step with all this rust. So I've started here, taking some of it away, some of the little spots. But yeah, the plan is we'll get it taken back as far as we can, and then I'm going to try and mix up some paint, get out here with a little airbrush. I don't know if I'll get the right colour or so, but we'll do our best. We'll give it a wee paint, and then we'll get a can of lacquer at the lock-up where I keep my bikes. And we'll just lacquer over it, and hopefully that should be enough just to keep it at bay. But for now, all I'm doing to power this is, as you can see, I've got a lead, and it's basically going straight through my inverter in the van, and it's enough power. The voltage drops from 13.7 to about 13.2 when I'm running this. The sun's out, we're getting plenty of solar charge. So yeah, it should be okay today just to keep using this like from the inverter itself. So I'm going to crack on. I'll get a little bit of footage once I see how it's going to go, and we'll take it from there. Right guys, so I think I'm finished with the grinding anyway. I've got it down as best I can to pretty much bare metal. There is a few sort of rougher wee bits, but I don't want to push too hard. I don't want to put this in, I mean it feels solid, but I don't want to push it into holes. So we're down through the surface anyway, and we'll give it a wee lick of paint and yeah, see how it is after that. Right, I've got my airbrush set up. Paint's just a wee bit too thin I think, but the colour's about right. Maybe a wee bit too dark. This is the colour I've mixed. Too much thinners I think. It's definitely just running straight through here. Kind of out of practice with this, guys. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to mix up some more, but I'll let you see the colour that I've come up with. Hopefully I can match it again. So as you can see, there's the colour. It is a wee bit too runny. I've got a few drips on the ground there, but I'll get some mixed up. I'll do it a little bit thicker this time, so it's not quite running through the gun, but for now it definitely seems to be working anyway. So what I'm using for this, guys, it's a Timberline airbrush, and I have used it working on this van before. I did the grab handle that's in the cab, I did that a darker blue. So what I've done is mixed up a lighter and a dark blue to try and get the colour closer to the actual van, and it appears to have worked. I've been quite lucky with the colour match. So yeah, I'll go and try and mix up some more, give it another coat. It is a bit thin that it's going on, and it is dripping out, as you can see, but I think I'll get there. I'll get there in the end. I just need to make it a wee bit thicker, I think. Right guys, well that's that finished for now. I will have to give it a top coat of lacquer at some point, but I'm not going to do that just now. I'm going to leave this to dry for an hour or so. So I think what I'll do is, I'm quite pleased with how it looks. Certainly a lot better than the rusty floor that we had before on that step. So I'm going to end this video here. Thank you all for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.